another one of the ongoing and really cool projects that they have here at the SBHRS is the restoration of this business car. And I've talked with Robin Gilstrom about this on the last TSG live webcast that you can search for here on the channel. It came out last month. But it was originally, well, it's been through several metamorphoses, and its current state is mostly restored just for static display here. And we'll go inside and take a look at it. You could pause your screen and read all about it. It's very interesting. It's had a long history and an interesting one. As always, you never know who you'll run into. It just so happens that I ran into Liam Hart, Marty Lockmiller, and the Fabulous Hills from Hollister. I'm gonna talk to each person as we go down the line here and see what they think of this event. So what do you think, Liam? You've been here before, and what do you think of it?
Well, I've been once, and it's an amazing layout, for the size, and it's amazing how much history is here, and, the car and everything that you guys have down here. It's an amazing museum. I highly recommend it to everybody else who's in the Bay Area. It's just a great place.
After that, what can you say? I don't need to talk to you guys now. No, let's talk to Marty and see what he has to say about this.
Well, Liam pretty much said it all. This is my second time visiting down here, and we were interviewed once before, I believe, down by the tower. If you haven't been in the tower or haven't seen the tower, I certainly recommend that as well. But what Liam said, though, this is a wonderful layout. It's a lot of history, a great place to visit, and to meet people, for that matter. So It's fun.
Part of this video is we're going to go down and look at the tower. So cool. Good call.
Very good. You'll probably see us all down there again.
Oh, well, I guess I'll just follow you down there then.
All right.
Okay, well, let's talk to Kevin and see what he has to say about it.
Oh, this is great. I've been here once before, and just the level of detail that are on the layouts here is just, I've never seen anything like it in HO or N scale.
All right, well, let's see what Curtis has to say about that.
Well, I think it's pretty much the best HO and N gauge layouts I've ever seen. It's fantastic. It's well worth it. And then, of course, the tower is awesome. Got to go to the tower.
Is that it?
That's it.
I guess that's it. So we're going to go down to the tower. All right, so now I'm being told that there's something I must see down here. What are you talking about?
I found some of your artwork on the stairs down here.
Okay, let's go find out what he's talking about, because this is new to me. All right. The hell are you talking about?
Look at this. We'll go down the stairs here. Yeah, here it is. This must have been you, right?
What are you looking at? What the hell? Dude. No, I can guarantee that wasn't me. What the hell? Did you do that?
It must have been a fan. It must have been a fan. You're just that famous now.
Oh, so you're saying you did it?
No, I'm not a fan.
Okay. Okay, well, I don't know about that. That's the last thing I would have ever done. Okay, so finally the interlocking tower here. This is one of the favorite things for most people that come down here. They like to come and look at the interlocking tower because there are very few interlocking towers left. And this is one of the few. Could be because the police station is right back over here, so it's less likely to be vandalized or whatever. But this is also one of my favorite spots here on the premises. And this is also worth coming to if you haven't been here before. One more time. This is the South Bay Historical Railroad Society's open house. It's the fall open house. It's November 3rd and 4th, today and tomorrow. Today it's from 10 to 5, so there's still plenty of time to come out here if you'd like to see it. And tomorrow it's 10 to 4. And all of the things that you've seen in these past few videos are sort of the highlights of what's going on here. I think it's time to go head out to that all-day lunch counter and go eat something because I'm spent today. I'll talk to you all next time. Oh, well, what do you know? Let's watch the train come by since we're here. That's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.